Okay, I protect myself. I do my thrust. I do my puño. I do my hook or my uppercut. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a sword and dagger or a stick and dagger sequence, and I'm going to link the previous video where we did a payong. Okay, I'm going to throw my jab, my puño, my hook or my uppercut. So we are going to follow that sequence with the stick and dagger. All right, so let's have a quick look. Okay, I protect myself. I do my thrust. I do my puño. I do my hook or my uppercut. And that's the video for today. As a bonus, I am going to add on the next video, so make sure you subscribe, hit the like and share this, because I'm going to add a sword and dagger with, or a stick and dagger with the pakal grip. All right, so thank you very much and have a good one. Take care.